Hi, it's Lisa from A Simple Season, and thank you so much for stopping by and seeing me today. Today I want to share with you a really great recipe for a DIY dish soap. I do most of my dishes by hand, so I go through a lot of dish soap and it really adds up. So I've discovered a way to reduce the soap that I'm using by about 60 to 70%. It uses natural ingredients and it gets everything really clean. So let me show you how to do it. So for this project, you're gonna need an empty dish soap container, any commercial dish soap that you like, some vinegar, some baking soda, a funnel, a container with warm water, and a jar or a glass that's at least 2 cups. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a tablespoon of baking soda and put it in our 2-cup jar. 2 to 3 tablespoons of just plain vinegar, and it's going to bubble up here, and just mix it in with our baking soda. And this is why you want a bigger container, because it's going to have this kind of bubbling action and you don't want it to overflow. And you don't really want to go too much more than this ratio, or else you'll get this big bubbly mess that overflows. Ask me how I know. Now we're going to add in some of our warm water here just to fill it up. And we're going to give this a little stir. Take the cap off of our empty dish soap container. We're going to take our commercial dish soap and just pour in 10%, right up to there. Pour in our mixture with the baking soda and the vinegar, and then we're just going to fill the rest up with warm water. And that's it, it's ready. So you can add essential oils, lavender or eucalyptus or mint, or whatever scents you like. So we're just gonna give this a try right now and we'll see how it works. Hear that? Squeaky clean. So overall, I'm really happy with how this turned out. It saves money, uses less chemicals, and it gets everything really clean. So I'm really happy about that, and I'll definitely be using this going forward, and it's a big thumbs up from me.